Hello, yes, welcome back to the second part of Fractal videos. I wanted you to show another zoom area in here, and we're now going here. I think you saw the last part, and we're just going inside here. Look, these shapes here. See all these small parts inside, and I'm just zooming now here a little bit inside, and you see similar structures here everywhere, totally different than the structures we saw before, but all structures similar to all others. You can do this, and you see the structures, these structures. This is a very typical structure. This is a very typical structure. And I just take some part and go inside. I don't need to look for something special. And you see here again this structure. But every of these structures is unique. Even if they all look similar, they are all unique. Yeah, and we can go inside, and inside we get some crossing structures again, and we go deeper and deeper and deeper, and it's always repeating similar structures. It's always repeating similar structures, and we go inside. So, how is this handled in, let's say, in our world? If some object is defined by fractal structures, it's like you say, define this part here defines the kind of leaf. So all energies will follow this pattern. But you can zoom inside, and you have endless unique variants of the same pattern, of a similar pattern. If you can zoom inside as long as you want, you all the time get the similar patterns until we reach the solution what the computer can calculate. And we can go inside and inside and inside, and we always get the same patterns. And here, okay, now you see we reach the abilities of my computer, or of the program. And now I'm zooming back out, and you can, by zooming out, you can really very good see we are coming now from a very, very small point with, yeah, and I'm keep on this point. So you will see this point when we're zooming back all the time. And this is how nature works. The energies, for example, of which are plants consisting of, or cells of many animals and humans, are the same, but they follow different fractal rules, and this gives different fractal shapes. I'm going back, and you see this. Whatever comes here inside is always the same pattern, similar pattern, but there have been mathematics people who really compared them, and there are no two equals, and that's what we have. So our nature, what we see in these things are very simple fractal. There's no trick in this, no very complicated thing. And now you see we are still going out, and you see where we are going, where we have been going in. Now we are coming back to higher level. Yeah, and I'm still on the same point. I didn't. So now you see. Okay, now we are back in this. Similar I do here. I'm just going inside. looking for some structure. Yeah, here you have these typical structures. It's also looking, it's a very typical looking of the branch structures, and we're just going in. And again, we get this very typical looking of this branch structures, and they are very different from everything what we have seen before here. And we're just going inside, and we will see all the time it's repeating the similar, but it's not getting anything equal. So I'm getting out because I think you already understood now what a fractal is. Now, what is the complex multi-layer fractal? If you have these structures, and let's say some object is following these structures, all these fractal rules have been implemented in rules layers. Meaning, for example, you have some energy, and this energy forms a straight line. Just as an example now to give you a mind model. If you apply the rule of this fractal structure, this straight line becomes the shape of this structure. Yeah? So by this, the rules are forming the energies. And now think about, we saw a lot of different shapes, and now think about you have more than one fractal what you're talking about. Now let's think you don't have not only this structure. I show you, and we are back now. I'm going a little bit, okay. Remember, we were looking something here, something here, something here, something here, something here. Everything had a different pattern. In the point here, it looks all similar, but very different to each other near to this point. And here, everything looks very similar to everything near in this point, but this point and this point look very different. And now think about that you combine. You remember here we had some round structures, for example. So you take a straight an energy which is a straight line, and you apply this rule to this energy. The energy will get round, round with these forms, with the forms we had here. And now we have the other structure we found here, and we have two layers of fractal rules. The one is giving round, the other is giving some other shape, whatever we found here. And now these two rules layers are interacting together, and so the energies are following the round structures we found here, and for example these half moon or these parts we found here, these parts made this half round shape. Now and we combine this, or we combine this here with these structures up here, or with the other star structures we found. Each one of these positions is easy to calculate, and each one of these position of these shapes can be easy handled. But if you combine this one with this one, or you combine this one with this one inside and this one, then you have a multi-layer fractal from 3 layers, and we know that there are up to 5-layer multifractal. This means you have 5 different kind of fractal, and they're combined one layer after another, and each layer makes it much more difficult to handle. And this is for for all for the computers, from darks and for light, for normal computers, for computers on high level, which are much far away from everything we can imagine. They cannot calculate this. This is the easy point. It is not able for them to calculate this. And also, when you see the mind structures of beings outside of fractal are easy shaped, like these forms here, easy shape. Our mind structures are like the complex inside here. However, they are fractal, and these fractal structures bringing us the abilities we have, the estimation, the intuition in these things. So this is just a short explanation how to apply this. Is the I hope you understood a little bit. I'm not so good in explaining, but as this will be in our forum, you can ask questions below, and I maybe can make for the question next video. Okay, bye.